How to buy Magic USDC generator. Now this token came under the symbol of MUG, M-U-G. Now before we start, this is not mentioned by Isa, not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research, and also there is referral codes down in description. You can get free money to work on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go below, find your account, show the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token, and make sure to check the Telegram channel too. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 9 hours ago and increased by 95,000% in less than 4 hours. As you can see here, the liquidity are unlocked by 100%. That's meaning investment in safe places. Token transaction number 8 in this on that section. To be able to buy this token, it is simple. Click here to copy the token address and open your phone to wait for that. Click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana in right now. Click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this our token. Click on it. Now here's how much you want to buy. As you can see here, we'll be able to see how much you receive of that token. After that, select provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap. And after that, you will be able to redirect to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page. As you can see, so we just slippage from here on custom it, because the most issues came from the slippage, and after that you can go and buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy MUG token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.